Feet and claws. Birds use their claws for catching their prey, holding their prey firmly while flying, protecting themselves from their enemies. Moving about. Type of the claws. There are different types of the claws in different birds. The birds have different types of the claws. Flesh-eating birds, eagle, hawk, and owl have the sharp and curved claws. They are called uh, talons. Talons. They grab their prey like rats and snakes with their talons. Here in a picture of the birds, eagle's claws, hawk claws, and owl claws. Placing eating birds claws, swimming birds, duck, and the geese have the webbed feet. And the three front toes have a skin like the web. Between them, there is one toe, and at the back, the webbed feet help water birds to swim. Here in the claws of the water birds, geese's claws, duck claws, swimming birds claws, preaching birds, preaching birds. Pigeon, manna, crows, and sparrow use their feet to hold on to three branches and wires. This is called the preaching. They use their three front toes. Yes, we use for fingers, and the back toes. Yes, we use our thumb. Same as manna claws, sparrow claws, and the crow's claws here in a long toy types fingers feet. Climbing birds. Parrots and the woodpeckers have two toes pointing upwards and two toes pointing downwards. Have two toes and upwards twice and downward twice. These help them to climb up the hold one trees. Climbing birds claws, woodpeckers birds claws, and parrots claws. Bedding birds. Cranes, wading birds, cranes, egrets, herons, and sandpipers have thin and long legs with thin out spreading toes. This helps them to walk in muddy ponds, river, and shore without seeking. The movements is called wading. Crane claws, stand piper claws, horn claws, egret claws, bedding birds claws, scratching birds. Hens are hens are seed and insect eaters. They scratch mud to find out buried insect and seeds. They have three toes in front and a short head toy with sharp and hard claws for scratching the ground. Hence claws. Scratching words claws. Running words. An ostrich is a running bird. It has very long and strong legs for running. An ostrich has only two toes which are heavy and crushing like its toes do not sink into the stand. Yes, it runs fast. Running birds claws. Ostrich bird. Feathers. A bird's body and wings are covered with many feathers. They keep their body warm. There are three kinds of feathers. First, flight feathers. And these are the large and size and found in weaving and the tail. They help the birds to fly and changing direction with the flying. The feathers have the birds changing the direction of the while flying. Flighting birds have the feathers. Body feathers. These feathers cover up the completely body of the birds and give it a curved shaped. The body feathers cover the body of the bird. Body feather. Down feathers. These feathers are fluffy, fluffy and keep the bird's body warm. These are close to the skin. Down feathers. It is close to the bird's skin. Food habit in birds. Different birds have different eating food habit. Avivorous and herbivorous birds eats other birds. Herbivorous birds eat to other birds. This is a popular diet for many of the smaller raptors. Several large raptors also prey on doves, pigeons, pewons, ducks, or other water birds. Carnivorous. Carnivorous birds like the vulture eat meat, including mammals, fish, amphibians, and reptiles. Uh, frug- mm, frugivorous, frugivorous, frugivorous birds are fruit-eating specialist oridols, backs weaving, and tongue toucans are all frugivorous, carnivorous, frugivorous, and then carnivorous. Uh, carnivore, uh, Carnivorous. A carnivorous eats primarily grains or seeds, and many birds are granivorous. Those birds, those are eating, those eats the seeds of the wheat, etc. is called carnivorous. A carnivorous eats primarily grains or seeds, and many birds are granivorous, including many sparrows. Sparrows is a carnivorous birds. Insectivorous. Insectivorous birds are specialized carnivores that feed on insect, from mosquito to dragonfish, flycatchers, and the warblers are insectivorous birds. And nectivorous. A nectivorous feeds on flower nectar, and the most well known the nectivorous birds whose the pick out the juice from the flowers. Nectivorous is called a nectivorous birds. Nectivorous birds are the more than 300 species of the hummingbirds and the hummingbirds in the world. Omnivores. Omnivorous birds eats anything to everything. Duck are omnivorous.